Hello friends, welcome to my AGS Tech channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Today we are going to see TCS tax collected at source in Tally ERP9. The TCS is applicable from 1 October 2020. It will be applicable for if you are a trader more than 10 crore your turnover and customer more than 50 lakh they purchase. It will be applicable for TCS. Then how to enable TCS in Tally ERP9, we will show that. Then how to update stock item and TCS. First we go to Tally. In Tally, gateway of Tally, you click F11, statutory and taxation, yes. Then right side, enable tax collected at source, yes. And set alter TCS detail, yes. If you will apply TCS, you need to TAN number, or TAN number means PAN number, it is mandatory. Then only you will get it the TCS. Then you put on the TCS registration, all details. Then save it. Then we go to gateway of Tally, account info, statutory info, TCS nature of goods. First we create on ledger TCS nature of goods. We already created, we will show that alter TCS on sales of goods. And section 206C, payment code is not applicable, currently not available. Then we can put rate of the individual. If you have a PAN number 0.75%, without PAN number they apply 1%, and rate for other collective types with PAN number 7%, 0.75, and without PAN number 1%. And lastly, threshold and exemption limit will leave the black and save it. Then we go to ledger, account info, ledger. We already created ledger. Then how to we apply TCS on ledger also. Go to ledger ABC Limited. Here statutory information is TCS applicable, yes. Then buyer type you can collective type you can give, and compulsory for PAN and GST number. Then save it. We update customer master and customer A also we update. PAN number and GST also available. Save it. Then we create sales ledger, sales account, and we give TCS applicable and nature of goods, TCS and sales of goods. Select that. Then save it. Then central goods and service tax. Open the duty and tax ledger. You can enable here also TCS is applicable and nature of good, TCS on sales of good, yes. Then service tax, state goods applicable, yes, and nature of goods, TCS on sales of good. Save it. Then create one more ledger, TCS on sales of good. Select duties and tax ledger, TCS, nature of goods, TCS on goods, you can select. Then save it. Then finally we go to stock item. In stock item we will item 1 is TCS applicable, is applicable, and nature of goods you select what we will create it. Otherwise you want to create new, you can create new category and create. Otherwise you will select TCS on sales of good, yes. Then save it. Then go to transaction display daybook. We enter 1 October 2020 customer A. 1 October 2020 customer A item sell the goods 900 numbers and 50,000 rupees per quantity and 45 lakh, and it will be applicable central goods and tax and state good service and tax, and TCS on sales of good yes also. Then we save it. Then ABC Limited. ABC Limited also buy 1500 quantity and 5,000 rupees 75 lakh, and central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax, and it will applicable TCS on sales of goods, and save it. And we go to report, statutory report, TCS report, TCS outstanding. It will show this much outstanding order for particular period, total pending, this will go here also for 27. It will show how much payment is applicable. We set all the TCS information and report also. Then we see how to update stock item master. If we have more than 1000 item or more than 10,000 item, if you have, I will show the demo also. We will select ABC company. ABC company we have some items. Then we will show how to update the items in TCS. First we enable the customization, F11, add on feature, enable TCS update on stock item, yes. Then go to Gateway of Tally. It will show one menu, update TCS on stock item. First we go to stock summary. Stock summary we will select item wise. Then we export Excel. TCS apply. Then save it. Excel is generated. Then you open that Excel, you delete first before stock item online, you delete all the things. Then you delete ABC also. Then we add two more columns, is TCS applicable, and another one nature of goods. First one is item name, second column TCS applicable, third column nature of goods. Then we go to Gateway of Tally. We enter, control enter, copy. Is TCS applicable, you can give control V. Control V, and nature of goods, control Z. C, Control L. Then if you want to apply same thing all items, you can apply all items. If you will do this before update stock item, you take backup, then we'll show that how to take backup. Alt F1, backup, destination folder, is select the destination folder, destination, we'll select ABC and TCS demo, two files, then end of list, we'll take already backup, then we will work on that, select company, okay guys, we first see inventory info, stock item, alter, assemble PAV, we will give not applicable, save it, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable, and we show that also CD-ROM jacket, this is undefined, hold that, not applicable, dummy, undefined, dust cover, not applicable, floppy disk, not applicable, floppy drive, not applicable, hard disk, not applicable, HCL cell run, not applicable, ICP-AV, not applicable, ICP-27, not applicable, ICP-28, not applicable, ICP-28, not applicable, ICP laser undefined, IBM cell run undefined, IBM PV4 undefined, inventory with component unit undefined, iPhone 11 undefined, item 1 undefined, item 2 undefined, and we will see first also assemble PAV, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Then we go to Excel sheet. Finally we updated the Excel sheet. We remove the grand total column also, delete, save it, Excel file, then go to Tally, go to update TCS On Stock Item, click and select file where the location is available. I will save the file, save as, save the file, then go to the location, select file TCS Excel file, Control C, select full path, then go to Tally and import file name. You press Ctrl Alt V, then enter. It will doing process updating TCS in stock item master. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. If you are entering, it will take more time. You will first select item. It will Excel sheet. It will take 1 minute only. It will updated. You will see that inventory info, stock item, under assemble PAU. It is applicable TCS on goods, and CD-ROM disk 100. It is applicable TCS on goods, and IPM cell run applicable TCS on goods, and item 3 applicable TCS on goods. All item it will be updated. If you want customization, this by contact us. Email agstechguides@gmail.com. Mobile number 9384128300. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like the video, like and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.